Hello, and welcome to Comprehensible English. Today, we're going to be talking about stuff that you can find at the beach. You can see the sky is nice and blue, and there are some clouds forming as well. It might be raining later because it's starting to look kind of dark. In below that is the ocean. Big body of water. We can also see sand along the beach and palm trees growing, which give nice shade to anybody that would want to get a tan. These kids are swimming in the summer. They are underwater. The water does not look too deep because you can see the sand at the bottom. They're both wearing goggles. These goggles are green. These goggles are blue. On this side, you can see lots of people lying on the beach trying to get a tan. They are probably on summer holidays and enjoying their vacation. You can see people playing in the water as well as swimming out a little bit further. These people are playing sports on the beach. They're playing beach volleyball. You can see that there is 1, 2, 3, 4 people on this team. 1, 2, 3, 4 people on this team, as well as 1 referee. The ocean is nice and blue, and in the background you can see lots of mountains. On the mountains are lots of trees, which make it look green. And along the beach edge there are lots of big rocks. This family is walking along the beach. They are all wearing swimsuits. The father is wearing swim trunks or swim shorts. The children are wearing one-piece bathing suits. This one's blue and this one looks to be light green, whereas the mother is wearing a two-piece or a bikini. They all look like they're having fun on the beach today. When you're on the beach, it's important to wear your sunscreen or your sunblock. You can see that he is spreading it all over his face, especially on his nose. You want to prevent having sunburn. You can see that it's a nice sunny day. That's probably why he's so happy. Now this little girl is playing in the waves. You can see the waves coming in gently, and then they kind of break right by her feet. It looks like she's trying to run away from them. She's wearing this yellow flotation device that kind of looks like a duck. You can see 2 eyes. There's some hair on its forehead, and then you can see the duck's bill. In the background, there are palm trees and a beach. Looks like a wonderful place to play in the water. Now these 2 people are playing in big waves. You can see that the waves are just as tall as they are. It looks like the girl in the back is running towards the waves, but the guy in the front seems to be getting scared. Looks like he's turning around to run away from them. I don't think they were expecting the waves to be that big. This guy is surfing. He's on a surfboard and he jumped up over top of this wave. You can see water splashing in behind him. When on the beach, it's nice to take some time just to rest and relax. You can see this woman here is lying in a hammock. There's sand, nice soft sand underneath, and the ocean and mountains in the background. It looks like she's lying under a palm tree. because you can see the palm fronds hanging above her. And these two are lying directly on the sand. They're right by the ocean, and it looks like they're sunbathing, trying to get a tan. These kids are all trying to build sand castles. You can see buckets and toys. Looks like these two are playing nice together, trying to build a sand castle. This one is playing on his own. He has a blue hat and a blue bucket, and he's built a big mound of dirt that kind of looks like a sand castle. Wow, this is a very nice sand castle. It has steps leading up as well as coming back down, has a big door in the front and lots of little windows. There's brick walls and a platform to stand on. In the background, you can see the ocean as well as lots of fishing boats. It looks like this might be a fishing town somewhere. Often on the beach, you will find lifeguards. They're there to rescue you or to save you if you're drowning. You can see them running along the beach, and in this picture, they're trying to rescue this person and they're pulling him out of the water. Often, lifeguards sit in a tower like this one. There are swim rings to help them rescue people, as well as a paddle board. It's nice and tall so they can see over top of anybody that's on the beach and see what's happening in the ocean. This person looks like he's drowning. He's trying to get a big breath of air to prevent himself from sinking. I think the lifeguards are going to come out and help him. This couple is getting ready to go scuba diving. He has a tank of air on his back. They have flippers, a snorkel, and goggles, and they're both wearing wetsuits. Here they are getting ready to jump into the water. Underwater, you can see lots of fish. They have yellow tails and silver bodies, and these fish have black stripes across them. They kind of look like zebras. In the background, you can see rocks. They are wearing their goggles underwater so that they can help see the fish, and they have tanks of air so that they can breathe underwater and stay for long periods of time. This lady has found a cage underwater. It has bars that have started to rust. When metal is underwater, it starts to build up rust on the outside. You can see that it looks brown or kind of reddish, like this chain that's lying along the ocean floor. Thanks for joining me today at the beach. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel.